The LaserRange-Master i5 from LaserLiner. These point-precise laser rangefinders are characterized by 9 measuring methods, 50-meter range, and angle function. Thanks to the installed slope sensor, you can easily measure inaccessible places indirectly with the LaserRange-Master i5. The large measured value log helps you to document your measured values. Determine exact lengths, areas, or volumes, for example, when calculating material quantities. The switchable measuring points are another practical feature. You can therefore measure from the top or bottom side of the laser rangefinder. Align the device perfectly with the digital spirit level. Use min-max continuous measuring to determine possible positions for furniture very easily, for example. LaserRange-Master i5.